Hi, let me give you a brief introduction to DMscore Enterprise. DMscore Enterprise is geared towards dental service organizations who are trying to understand their nationwide digital marketing visibility. DMscore Enterprise is a business intelligence application that taps into our database of actionable intelligence for tens of thousands of dental websites in the US. For dental service organizations or multi-office dental networks, we create key performance metrics to support timely decision-making around your digital marketing programs. After logging into DMscore Enterprise, you're presented with this national dashboard, which gives you a bird's eye view of all your competitive geographic regions. At a glance, you can see the DM score for your overall network. This represents your overall digital marketing visibility to your prospective patients. We can also see the top performing geographic locations in your network, as well as the worst performers. At any point, you can drill down into these geographic regions to see the main competitors and get tips for how to improve your presence in these localities. DMscore Enterprise analyzes your entire network to tell you how you're doing with things like organic search, paid search, and directories like Yelp. Getting a view of the geographic areas you compete in is easy when you see all the locations scored on the map. You can drill down into any of these locations just by clicking on them and get a breakdown of the scores. And how about understanding if you're doing well over time? Are you making progress on your scores? You can do this by looking at the historical trend lines, which shows you your historic network averages for your DM score, as well as the breakdown for things like organic, paid, or directories like Yelp. Each competitive location can be seen here at a glance with their scores and relative rank against the local competitors. And finally, the main dashboard provides you with some helpful tips for how you're doing on Yelp, as well as other information regarding your digital keyword performance across your network. Okay, so now that you understand how you're doing across your entire network, it's time to drill down on a location. You can do that through the map and clicking in on one of those locations, or you can do that from this table here, and we can drill down and see what's happening in a location. This is where you can plot your next competitive move. Are there opportunities here to spend a bit more on search advertising? Or should you work on ensuring your location is visible in directories like Yelp? Specific analysis and recommendations can be found for all of these factors. And you can see your subscores and how your competitors are doing on each of those subscores, like organic search or paid search or directories. Or you can look at your historic trend lines to see how you're doing in this particular area as well. This is also where you can get specific recommendations for what to improve upon in your scores. Well, this has been DMscore Enterprise. I hope you've enjoyed the overview. See us at www.dmscore.com.